Hello, welcome. Today also you are going to learn some problems based on simple interest and compound interest, a different variety. The question is, in what time will 10,000 rupees amount to 11,025 rupees at 10% per annum interest compounded half yearly? What is given? Let us write first. First, it is given that principal P is given as 10,000 rupees. Amount to this means amount is 11,025 rupees at 10% per annum. Rate is 10% per annum. Interest compounded half yearly. That means R equal to 5% per half year. If the interest is compounded half yearly, rate also should be in a half year. And time you have to find out. Time you have to find out. Means in the formula you are using n for number of half years in this case. Okay? Here n is number of half years. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Amount is 11,025. Principal is 10,000. 100 common. 100 plus R value is 5 whole to the power n. Okay. Let us cancel 5 2 0 0 0. 5 2 is 2 is 0 5 is. Again 5 400. 5 4 4 1. That means 441 by 400 equal to 105 by 100 whole to the power n. If you cancel 521s and 520s. You see here base is 21 by 20. Here also you can convert this. 441 is 21 square. 400 is 20 square. So 21 by 20 square is equal to 21 by 20 n. Now both the bases are same, so the powers are equal. N equal to 2 half years because rate we have taken half year. That means time is 1 year. The required time is 1 year. The question is, in what time will 10,000 rupees amount to this at 10% per annum interest compounded annually? Means in 1 year 10,000 rupees will be 11,025 rupees at 10% per annum if the interest is compounded annually. Okay. Now one more variety I am going to give you, one more question I am going to give you and explain you. Okay. The second question is the difference between compound interest and simple interest on a certain principal at 10% per annum for 3 years is 31 rupees. Find the principal. We don't know what is the principal, but the difference between compound interest and simple interest at 10% per annum for 3 years is 31 rupees difference. Then what is the principal you have to find out. Okay. So principal P we don't know. Principal is P we don't know. Rate R equal to 10% per annum and difference between CI and SI is 31 rupees. Let us find simple interest first. Simple interest in short we can write SI. P R T by 100 formula. Okay. Always you write the formula and substitute, it will be good. P R is 10, time is 3 by 100. 0 0 cancel. 3P by 10 is the simple interest. Now let us find the compound interest. You know that the formula for compound interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n minus 1. Let me do here. P into 1 plus R is 10 by 100 whole cube minus 1. Okay. That equal to this I am doing here. P 100 LCM 0 0 cancel 10 LCM No need to have 10. 1 plus 1 by 10 is 11 by 10 cube minus 1. Okay. Let me do here again. Ci is equal to P into 11 cube is 11 11s are 121 into 11 is 1331 by 1000 minus P into 1000 LCM 1331 minus 1000 that equal to 331 by 1000 into P. 331P by 1000 is the compound interest. And according to question, compound interest minus simple interest is 31 rupees. Compound interest is 331P by 1000. Simple interest is 3P by 10 equal to 31. That implies 1000 LCM. 331P. Here 1000 divided by 10 is 100 3s are 300P equal to 31. 331P minus 300P, 31P is 31 into 1000. That implies P is equal to 31 into 1000 by 31. When you cancel, you are getting 1000 rupees. What is the question? Find the principal. Therefore, the required principal is 1000 rupees. Okay. So with this, I have done all the varieties based on simple interest and compound interest. How to find the amount, how to find the compound interest, if they are compounded annually or half yearly, how to find the principal, how to find the time, how to find the rate. If the difference between CI and SI is given, how to find the principal. So different varieties I explained you in different classes. Please go through them and make the concept clear. Try to understand and practice well. Thank you.